Power's already on.
They're pointing something out on the ground, but the guy in front of you went a little sideways too. Yeah.
Yeah. Direct right.
Yeah, jerk.
Yeah, he was right too.
Something was weird. It was like, what?
Yeah. You want to pull your water out of here?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Whew.
I did the same thing last time. I thought
It was kind of horrible, huh?
It just jerked to the right.
Bad.
Yeah. It was weird.
What do you think? Yeah. Crank it. There you go. Crank it. More. Wait. Straight? Nope.
No, crank it more, crank it more. Now, straight.
Watch out, Cammy. Coming through. Watch out. We're coming back. All right. Good job, sweetheart. Perfect. Right there. So, 120, 60 foot. At a 129 last time. You showed improvement in the launch. Those were launch passes.
Yeah, the car did something weird this time.
Well,
Probably the
I think you were lined up really kind of straight.
Got it.
And this thing has a tendency to want to go to the right.
It did too.
And
I think you should bump the tire pressure up to like 7.5. Let the car spin.
Yeah, see, it went off to the right.
It hooked right pretty hard. I was like,
yeah, what did you have the tires at last time?
Dad did it. I don't know.
5.6.
Last time?
Yeah.
No, 6 pounds. 6 pounds is what it went on the very first one.
Everybody stand clear. Wait, 1 second.
What's your ears? What's your ears? Get loud. Okay, fire in the hole.
I got no power.
Yeah, you do. Put it apart.
Yeah, the last passer was at 5.5.
The last one.
The one you just did.
Yeah.
I just better go the other way.
I think you need to go back.
It was
to
at
6.
6 the first time we went.
Did it yank? Did it yank your hands?
Yes.
Yeah. The wheels jerked so hard. It caught up and went though.
Possibly. But you don't want to go from a 5 to a 7.
Yeah. Well,
So I think we should go back to like a 6 and see what it does. Because you can't change too many stuff. You
Because
know?
I think about his driving experience, what he's done with, he can deal with the wheel spin on driving it more
Right.
than he can with
You're
the front
already
end
turning
jerk.
to the right,
Grab
right
it.
there.
Yeah, because to him it'll feel more just like a damn
Your wheel
spring
when it
car.
comes down. Your
So
wheel's
that's how I'm
sideways, and
trying to
watch your
do it.
wheel.
I was turning to the left already.
Yeah.
Show
Right
Rick
off the
that.
line.
Yeah, when Mike had you back, when you were coming back, you were starting to go to the right. So I told Mike I was trying to point you towards the left.
That's where his front
So
tire
you
came
were actually
down.
pointed pretty straight.
Yeah, he was already going.
Yeah, but back here, from the very beginning, as soon as it launched, he was already
It
turning
started,
sideways.
It started going, yeah. I wonder if the tires, did anybody check them right before?
Dad did.
And they were
right before
exactly
we
the
went.
same?
Yeah, 5.5.
Yeah, we need to go to either 6 or 6.5.
I'd rather have it spin the tires. I can drive. I can drive like.
Well, that's what's happening is we're hooking too hard and it's causing you to have to with it.
Because I felt better out of the hole. I was like, oh, right.
Yeah.
And then it was like going. I was like, so I had to lift, and then I had to slowly
It
go
was
back.
going crooked, yeah. You need to almost stage this almost to where you're looking out at the outside of your lane.
From the right side a little bit, huh?
Yeah, you want to be aiming at the left
I was
side
dead
of your
straight.
lane.
I was dead straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It was good. It was better.
Yes, it was excellent. It's exactly what you need to do in those 2 passes. Now the next one you need to roll into it or roll
It still
hard
didn't shift.
and go and let it shift.
Okay.
These next 2 passes you need to make it shift.
So don't launch it as hard like that.
I wouldn't.
Okay.
Just roll into it.
I'd roll into it and stay hard on it and then shift it by yourself
Okay.
if you want, or let it shift.
I can't feel Yeah.
It's too hard for you to try to.
Yeah, my arms are too long. T-Rex.
Hit the button.
I could, yeah.
You hit the button, make it shift.
Yeah, but I can drive the car. I can do that all day. Because my
Yeah, you
wheels
can
in the
shift.
air were already turning left because the car was going right.
You can shift with your button too.
Yeah.
And that way you don't have to take your hand off the thing. Just
Right.
But you don't want to shift too quick.
Power on.
Yep.
Fuel on.
Yes! Much better.